Now we are inside Blender, and this is the main window which you will see when you open your software from the desktop icon after the installation. And now clicking left mouse button here, and this picture will close, and this is everything what you will see in the beginning. We are not going to study Blender now, like the Unreal Engine deep inside the software, but we'll use it mainly to build the rigging for our cars. So this is what we are going to learn now. And first we have to activate this add-on, this plugin which I showed you, the Unreal Engine for Vehicle Rigging add-on. So when it's ready and it's downloaded on your computer, you have to come here, edit, and to click on preferences. So this window will appear in your screen, and there is a menu here, add-ons. And now we have to click install. And now we have to come here to the folder where are our files which we already downloaded, and look here for our Unreal Engine for Vehicle Rigging add-on, which is a zip file. You don't have to unzip it. It have to be still like this zip format or RAR, and to click on it. And now it's already installed in your Blender. And now you have to write here vehicle, for example, but something, something crashed, and here it's okay. Let's continue. Yep. When you write these letters here, you'll see the generic Unreal Engine for Vehicle Rigging, and you have to enable it from this bar here, from this check. And when you're ready, you have to close it until you appear here. I will show you. Now it's disabled. It's not here anymore. Now it's enabled and it's here. So this is the menu which we're going to use on the right side. And yeah, this is how you can install add-ons in your Blender software. And in the next lecture, we are going to rig our car. See you.